Hi there, my name is William for William Leeds com on my Facebook page and my Twitter page. In this video today, we're going to set up the white Wii to the HP computer monitor. Now it doesn't matter. We get all the cables and so both consoles. So if you have a look on this monitor right there, we got a VGA to HDMI. Now the VGA to HDMI cable, all you need is a HDMI cable that comes with your video connector. So all to do is get yourself a HDMI cord. So connectors. So if you have a work on this cable, my video connector. So we got a HDMI cable, and also we got the audio in. And maybe if we plug in some speakers, or just plug in your headphones in. All you have to do is plug in your charger and turns into red light. And then on the other side, on the we can hook up your AV cable into your color and match the color: red, white to white, yellow to yellow. That's going to mean the picture and sound. So we had to hook up the HDMI cable. See HDMI cable. We're going to plug in into this video connector. Like so. The HDMI cable is all connected. And then we need to plug in this power cord into the wall plug. So let's plug that in. And then I'm going to get the red charger. Now we turn red. So we got to plug in into the blue light. In the plug. So what I'll do is I'll hold this on my leg. So I'll put that in. We're going to put that in. Let me put the camera down. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in this charger right there, and then I need to plug in the red charger into this video connector. It's kind of like in its very shape. It's red. So what I'll do is I'll set the camera down. Just a minute. I didn't worse than Alright, I'll hold the camera for a minute. So you're plugging this charger in. The chair. Oh, don't charge again. I'm sorry. So, plugging this charger in. Pop the camera now for a minute. So we got to plug into this charger here. Go. Come on. And there we go. See a little bit of the red light. You know it's getting a picture. So let me get everything here. A little bit inside the way here, so I don't run into people. This is where AV cables come in. You're going to take your AV cable. We're going to plug in into this video connector. You plug in into red to red, white to white, and yellow to yellow. So now we got the AV cable all hooked up, HDMI is all hooked up, and a red video connector is plugged in. So what we're going to do is, guys, let's just plug in some speakers in. I got two speakers. I'm going to set it down. Set it down. And let me twist it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this cable right there, plugging it into Nintendo Wii. Gotta plug that in. Let me just connect the speakers. So I gotta plug it into the Wii. So now I got on this end the cable that connects to the plug. We need to connect it to the speakers. So plug it into the audio out. And that's it, guys. So you're done. Alright, AV cables all plugged in, chargers all plugged in, ready to go. Speakers are plugged in, HDMI cable is connected. And we got the picture. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab the Wii remote controller. We'll put the sensor bar right into the computer monitor. So sensor bar is set up to the monitor. Okay, so let's turn on the Nintendo Wii game. Alright, so I got the computer monitor all plugged in and ready to go. And there you go, guys, it works. Let me test it out. So now you can hear it, guys. But yeah, it's still working fine. So yeah, I am hope you guys enjoy this video tour. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to more how-to videos. Take care. Bye now.